Exercise number 13 and the last exercise in the Taiso exercise routine is deep breathing. Essentially, all you've been doing for the last 2 or 3 minutes is raising your heart rate, getting slightly out of breath. Now though, you've got to go about your day. You've got to go to work, you've got to go to school, you've got to go down to the park, you've got to go and run some errands. Whatever it is you've got to do, you want to go from the state of doing Taiso to how you were beforehand. You want to regulate your breathing, you want to get back to normal, and you want to go about your daily business. And we do that with our feet shoulder width apart, hands on the thighs, turn the palms out, breathe in and come up, and we make a diamond shape with the hands there. Point the hands down, push them down, and release about here. Much like in Tai Chi that's the Dantian, and that's your energy center, kind of around where your belly button is. And you want to release that there. Bring it around, make the diamond shape, tilt the diamond, push the diamond, release the diamond. Breathe in as you come up, out as you come down. In as you come up, out as you come down. I haven't mentioned a great deal about breathing. I do in the notes on the website, but I haven't mentioned it a great deal in the videos because I think it can be too much. And also, natural breathing will probably get you through. And by natural breathing, I mean, generally speaking, and it's not an exact science, that's why I haven't made a big thing of it. When you lift your arms up, it's fairly natural to want to breathe in, right? And when you breathe out, or when you come down like this, it's natural to want to push out. Because you're bending anyway, you can use the motion to push the air out. So generally speaking, if you're lifting your arms up, you're breathing in, you're bringing your arms down, you're breathing out. So something like one of the last exercises we did, in, out, in, out. Once you've learned the moves, once you've read the notes, once you've practiced it a few times, you will know, or it will start to feel natural. It will, I promise. So yeah, that's why I haven't mentioned it very much. But for this last one, because we're kind of bringing everything together, because we're closing everything down, because we're finishing, it's good to kind of do it right. So we've got our feet shoulder width apart, hands there, turn the palms out, in, down, out, in, down, out, in, down, out, last one, in, down, and out. And I don't even need to turn around for that one because that is exactly the same forwards or backwards. So those are your 13 exercises in the Taiso exercise routine. You've done it. You've completed it, or at the very least, you've watched 13 videos. After watching the damn things, why not have a go? So we'll turn around even though it's the same forwards and backwards, but when I put it all together as a full run, at least it'll be consistent. Feet are shoulder width apart, hands there like this, turn the palms out, in, diamond shape, down, and release. 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 And that is your 13th exercise. That is your Taiso exercise routine done. You can see now why I said you don't need any extra equipment. I don't need anything. You don't need a cap either. I will say I do have hair. I'm just wearing the cap because I thought it would be easier if I'm turning my head one way or the other, or up or down, you can at least follow the peak of the cap. So that's the reason for that. So that's it. You know, you've either tried 13 exercises now or you've watched 13 videos. You might as well just have a go. You've come this far. Even if you just try that first exercise, this one, and like I say, by doing that one, I think you'll be surprised how much you think, well, I might as well just do the others. And that is one of the big benefits of this exercise routine. it becomes easier to do it than not to do it at some point. As long as you get it into your head that I'm going to do the Taiso routine every single day, and as long as you then start it, probably when you first get out of bed is one of the easiest times to do it. It'll be over before you know it, you'll have done it, and pretty soon you will start looking forward to it. To the point where if you want to do it again later on in the day, as many people in Japan do, you could do it again when you get home from work, or you could get it kind of early evening time as a way to wind down. Exercise is one of those funny things. It's not just something that can waken you up, it's something that can wind you down as well. So again, if you're doing this as a wind down series after work or in the early evening, and you again focus on keeping those arms straight and everything upright and your posture great, and start moving the legs and moving the arms and swinging things about and twisting and turning and whatnot, all of that accumulated stress during the day that is making you feel bleh and whatnot, that will start to disappear and you will feel good. And in feeling good, you will feel relaxed. So that's enough me waxing lyrical about the perks and the joys of Taiso. Please have a go. Like I say, there will be future videos coming through of the 2 other Taiso exercise routines, but for the moment, this is Taiso exercise routine number 1 for all ages and abilities. Have a go. Head over to taiso.co.uk and let me know how you come on, and yeah, enjoy it. Make it yours and enjoy it.